guys, welcome back again in our YouTube channel, which name is Learning Tube. So we are going to learn about today's about if else conditions. So if you want to, I think it's it's a logical test, we can say logical unit. So if you want to uh, know about this if else condition in deeply, so you can please prefer first flow charts to know about concept of programming if you want to become a programmer. And what is if else condition, we can take a real life example with this for to know about if else condition. If you after 10th we have there is a two option for every student, I think, science and commerce, right? If you interest in commerce, then you go for commerce, and if you are interested in science, then for you are go for science. Okay, so there is a condition. So if else, if you are interest, then you will go for science stream, okay, or science classes. Or if you are interested in commerce, then you will go for commerce. Okay, so this is a real life example, we can say. So in programming, how we going to implement this if else condition? So for the this is a conditional this is sorry for my tongue twister. Okay, for conditional condition, like depends on the value, then if a is equal to 1, and then if a is equal to 1, then we want to print hello. So for that we can use if keyword. Yeah, so let me explain you with some examples, so it's better to understand you, or you can understand very well. So if, okay, I got yeah, if first of all if false, and then yeah, print, okay, hello. Yeah, okay, so let me run this program. Okay, first I have to this screen bigger. Yeah, so okay, see, it's nothing to, because nothing to print, because here is if false. If only print hello when if is true, but here is if is false, so conditional already got false result, so it's nothing to print. But okay, if true, then what happened, let's see, then it will be print hello. See, here you can see. So this area we can say block in Python. In Python this can be shoot, so it should be in a line with space. If you are okay, so if okay, let me example with this print world. Yeah, so what do you think, this print world will show world in output or not? See, if true, then it will be print hello, otherwise not. Okay, but what about this will be print or not? So let me run this. See, hello world, because world hello, this sentence is not in within a true if condition. Okay, so for that what we have to do, sorry, just put a 3 space, or whatever first line have a space, then you have to do same space for next line, then it will be added in if condition. Otherwise you can you have already show this print world. Okay, so what if I not follow first sentence? So what, see, like, okay, let me run this program, you will better to understand. Yes, same on indent does not match any outer indentation level. Okay, so all sentence or any other coding that you execute in if condition. Within a if condition, then you have to manage indentation level. Sorry, if you are put here of only one space, then you have to put one space for second sentence also. Also for how many syntax or anything you put within this if condition. Okay, but also you can put 4 space, 5 space, anything, but you should manage flow of all sentence within a if condition. Okay, so yeah, also you can use a tab also, like I say, see, yeah, okay, okay, see, okay, so let's do another program example, like yeah, let's take a one variable like x is equal to 2, then we going to put one condition like if a x is equal to 2, then print 2. If x is equal to 3, then print 3. If x is equal to 4, sorry, 4, then print 4. Okay, so yeah, let's just okay, look at this. Okay, now see, when x is equal to 2, then it's print 2. Otherwise, if x is equal to 3, then it print 3. If x is equal to 4, then it's print 4. So let's start. If x is equal to 5, then what will happen? It's print nothing, because it doesn't match any condition with if, right? So yeah, then next is x, sorry, if, else if, and else, sorry. So here how can, yeah, see, if x is equal to 2, then it print 2, and like that. Else if, for else if there is elif. Okay, so yeah, 3, then print 3. And if none of above, then put else condition, then print x. Okay, so if this will if x is equal to 2 become false, then it's gone with else if condition. If else if gone wrong, then it's print else part. Okay, if x is equal to 2, then it will be 2. Then if x is equal to 3, then it will be print 3. If none of above match our condition, then it will be print whatever x has a value. Okay, so yeah, let me just run this and see. Okay, so yes, if we can with okay, I show you by debugging this. Yes, current file. Okay, see, what f10, see, here is x is equal to 5, so here watch, so I can show better to understand. See, it's become false, then it go on next, means elif part. So yeah, f. Okay, so now again I show you in watch, like 3, it's become false. So it directly go on else part and print X. Okay, see here you can see. This is a very simple. All you need to do this, just put your query or any programming you are going to do then perfectly on if else conditions. So yeah, this is a if else condition, very easy. Just practicing about this, to take by some arithmetic operation, plus minus or multiplications or modules, anything. And also you can compare strings, and yeah, or we can use in login sign up. This will be in very next tutorial, but yeah, this just I'm going to example how when you can use this else condition. So yeah, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.